Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CyberX Popsy. In today's video, we're going to discover Advent of Cyber 2025 Day 16. So in Day 16, we're going to explore about the Forensics Registry and we're going to tap onto the room and we'll discover what's inside. As we go, we have joined into the room and it says about learn what the Windows Registry is and how to investigate it. So it is a medium paced lab. Again, it consumes about 60 minutes and it has two tasks. One is about the introduction and the second task is the investigation of the gifts delivery malfunctioning. Okay, we'll jump onto the introduction and read the story. TBFC is under attack, systems are exhibiting weird behavior, and the company is now feeling the absence of its leader, McSkiddy. However, McSkiddy made sure the legacy continues. McSkiddy's team, determined and well trained, is fully confident in securing all the systems and regaining control before the big event Sokmas. They have now decided to conduct a detailed forensic analysis on one of the most critical systems of TBFC, Dispatch Server 01. The Dispatch Server 01 coordinates the drone-based gifts delivery during Sokmas. However, recently it was compromised by King Mahesh bandit of bunnies, so I think we should to kick these bunnies. And TBFC's defender have decided to split into specialized to uncover the attack on the system through detailed forensic. While some of the other team members investigate logs, memory dump, file systems, and other artifacts, you will work on to investigate the registry of this compromised system. Okay, and from when it comes to learning objective, we need to understand what the Windows registry and what it contains, dive deep into registry hives and root keys, analyze registry hives through built-in register editor tool, and learn registry forensics and investigate the registry exploit tool. Okay, we'll set up the environment and we're gonna start our machine. For the time being, I'm gonna successfully have access my target machine and check. I'll see you soon once my machine has been deployed completely. As you can see, I have successfully deployed the machine. Now we move to the task 2. So the task 2 will discover the details about the Windows registry and what it does. So as you can see, there are just few things we're gonna use in the system. They, for example, let's go to over here and we'll check. It's not register, so we can see, and I want to show something. As you can see, these are hives and inside these are called root keys. So just want to make sure whenever I say the hive, and you need to understand. And this it shows about the system will contain about the services, mounted device, boot configuration, hardware and drivers. Similarly for all this, and net NT user data has recent files, user preferences, user. As you can see, the Windows OS has built known as a registry reader we have entered, which allows us to view all the registry data available in these hives. And if you want, you can go here. The system will show about the local machine slash system, and similarly all about this thing. So as it says, there is about the local machine. We'll go to the local machine. This is current user. Let's wait. Local machine. We can see Sam. Under Sam, there are security. Yep, we got this. I'm just explaining. As you can see, the system software security and SAM hives are under HKLM. I agree. HKLM means HK local machine. And note the other two keys, HK classes root, HKCR and HKCCC are not a part of any separative hive files. You can go through it one by one. And example, if you view connected to devices, it's gonna show like this. And if you want, you can go this path and it will show about what devices are being are they connected. From this picture we can see a SanDisk cruiser blade 16 GB has been located, and yeah, that's all. And and this is also another example they have given. View programs run by the user. The registry stores the information on the programs that the user ran and run the dialog. Okay, the information is present in the user to hive it. And that's all for the theory part. For more information, you can jump out of this room and you can find and read the details of different registry key and its importance. For now, we'll jump onto the practical session and we'll do the questions, whatever they identify the flags. And when it comes to practical part, in this practical exam, we'll use the Registry Explorer tool to analyze the registry hives from the compromised system. And the first one is dispatch server 01. The registry hives have been collected and are all available in the folder. And you can see this is the registry files on the machine attached to the disk. And we'll close this for the time being. This is all about the registry editor, and we can close this. And we can see on the desktop. No. As you can see on the desktop, on the registry hives are located with files and different log files. Okay. And of course, we're gonna launch the Registry Explorer. So we'll launch the Registry Explorer, which is on the menu bar. I have already did. So we're gonna close one of this, and I'm gonna click one. Yeah, we got another one. So this is the Registry Explorer. So we'll go over here, load hive, and we're gonna go to the system and shift and open and okay, and please wait, it has successfully loaded. As you can see, okay, maybe we'll maximize, and now we can see it has registry hives and available bookmarks. So for the time being, we'll follow the steps, and you will be prompted with a message indicated successful replay for transaction logs. Okay, repeat the same process for all other hives you want to load. Okay, I want to load all other hives, so we're gonna do the same thing. Load hive, and where is, yep, and we're gonna use shift open and okay, and that's how we did it. So we'll try to maximize. Yep, and this one too. And if you want, you can go, and also we'll do, for the time being we use two, and if you want we can use another one, load 5, and if you want you can use software and sam, let's do multiple, and I already did system. Yeah, that's it. And shift open. Okay, yeah, you can use see, sam has loaded. I'm just waiting for the software. Yeah, as you can see, I have loaded the hive system, anti-user.date, and sam and software, and we have loaded 4 users. So we're gonna investigating the registry key. After loading the system hive, we can navigate to the specific registry key for the investigation. Let's practice it by finding the computer name, and if you want you can do it. I will just try to copy this and we'll see. Copy, and if you want you can go and search computer name, and let's see whether we can find it or not. As you can see under the root, so we don't need this one, so they're asking about the system. We just need this. Under computer name we have found our dispatch server 1, and yep. Alternatively, you can click bookmarks available tab under to navigate the system. Okay, if you want, you can go to the available bookmarks and type computer name, and fine. Yeah, the same thing, it says the same thing, and we have entered the thing. So now you understood how to load the hives and navigate in the Registry Explorer. You're ready to begin your forensic investigation and uncover evidence of the TBFC intrusion on the dispatch server. Note, the abnormal activity on the dispatch server started on 21st October 2025. And they have also given a tip. The table given in the registry forensic explanation is going to be your friend, which means they are talking about this. So I think I'm gonna open under a duplicate tab, so that it would be very easy to understand. I'm gonna keep this separately with the help of the registry key, and with the help of the and its importance, we can find out where the path it is, which path it is, sorry, and we'll solve the question. So let's make sure we are on the same track. So we're gonna go to the questions. So the question when asked what application was installed on the dispatch server 01 before the abnormal activity started. So now we'll go to this information, and so they have given the registry key and this importance. We can use this as a key, and so it says it stores the information on the installed programs. So we can use this path and find out the answer for the question number one. So we're gonna paste and uninstall and find. Let's see how many we are able to find. It has under the nt user dot date, so under the software, and also so seems we have forgotten to load the hive, so we'll go to the load hive, and let's see, we should able to find load hive, and we're gonna go, these are log files, so control, and we loaded these two. If we want log files, I don't think so, we don't need. Sam we have downloaded, security we'll put, and the system we already did. What else? Uh, yeah, shift open, and okay, okay, should see able to load now. Let's see, minimize, 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 software, default, security. So now we should able to see uninstall. I have loaded the hives that are required for me, so I will jump and we'll go over here and try to paste and uninstall, and we'll see fine. And however it didn't pop up, it means we need to remove the slash. Now we should able to see, as you can see under the let's drag this a little bit so that you can see. So until so if you go over here, it is only having one drive setup, so even I don't think so. However, we need to go to the software, and as you can see, we'll follow this timestamp, and let's see, we should able to find the answer. So here also there is one more, we'll jump into this. However, this is way long back, 2022, and even if you finalize, it looks all good for me. But we'll go over here under the registry hive of the software path, and we should able to see Explore. This looks good to me, and Chrome, Spice, 7-zip, VLC media player, this looks good me. However, you see this looks a bit suspicious. And drone manager updater, okay, we'll copy this. So this could be our answer. So what application was installed on the dispatch server before the abnormal activity started? So drone manager updated. So let's see. Drone manager updater. And that's it for the first question. And when it comes to the second question, what is the full path where the user launched the application? And we can see again uh, uh, with this term key, you can see stores information. One recently accessed the application launched by GUI, so we gonna go use this one, user assist, and we should able to find the answer. So I wanna make it very easy because I wanna go step by step. You can see there is we found one, and which you should able to find values assist. Okay, and this looks good to me so far. And should look at this one. Let's drill this details. And so what is the full path where the user launched the application? So it is asking for the application, and this is the path. You can see I don't know how to copy this. uh, Type viewer, I don't know. Okay, maybe control C, and we'll use our notepad. hmm Control A, and this should be able to find now. Yeah, that's it. And which value was added by the application to maintain the persistence on the startup? So again, we'll go over here and we'll find out which key would be better. So it stores information on the programs that are set to automatically start programs where the users can log it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Control C, run, because that was the question. Ask, so which value was added by application to maintain on startup? So it can be whenever you use any apps such as Zoom or Microsoft Teams. So we need to start the application, so we're gonna go over here and we use run. However, we'll find out on the software should be, so should be able to find over here. And as you can see, we need to go, the security health is an inbuilt one. It could be a Windows Defender, or it could by the Windows or Microsoft. And however, if you look at this looks a bit suspicious. And my answer would be this. So copy value, and let's try to paste it again. If it pastes, that would be good. Control V. Yeah, that's it. And if you enjoyed today's room, feel free to check out the explanatory registry analysis. So I would highly recommend. Even I would like to go in later some other video. And for now, I'm gonna check it. And that's it for this video. And this is all about the forensic registry, where we have explored registry editor and the registered explorer to find out the flags. And I'm gonna wrap up this video for now, and until then, take care. Signing off, CyberXPopsy. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Happy hacking.